Ijantliziyo elalichasene apartheid kwakunye nowayemele abasebenzi. Umama uLillian Dedricks wazalwa eNew Brighton ngaphambi kokukhutshwa ngetshova phansi kwemithetho yeapartheid. Ngo-1956 nguye noSophie de Bruyn, uRaheem Musa, uHelen Joseph kwakunye noLillian Ngoyi bakhokela umngcelele owawunabasetyhini abasondele kumawaka ngamashumi 20 usingise kwizakhiwo zomdibaniso owayechaze nokuphathwa kwedombasi.
Women who have cut a cloth amongst the people, she lived amongst the people, and she died amongst the people. So for us in the ANC, it's a very sad loss, and we are coming here to say to the family, you are not alone. We have, as the African National Congress, appreciate the role that she has played right until her death. 96 years she was blessed, and for the better part of her life, she fought for the struggle of our people, and especially for women's rights.
uDedricks uqala ukuba nefuthe kwezepolitiki ngethuba yenxalenye imanyano yabasebenzi iFood and Clinic Workers Union ebekwa nguye nonobhala weMedical Association.
I struggled as a former trade unionist myself. I knew the difficult times that she might have had on the factory floor, because it was not easy during the years of apartheid. You had to fight for employee benefits, you had to fight for wages and maternity leave, paternity leave, and all these conditions that workers are getting today, better working conditions. So she fought for that.
Ngo-2018 umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa wathi wamonge ngewonga iNational Order ngegalelo lakhe ekulweni ucalucalulo. Uthe wasweleka ngolwesibini kwikhaya lakhe.
Very vocal, very vocal, to the point that some people would say rude. But for us growing up with her, just being brutally honest. And I think that is my mom.
uDedricks uza kubeka kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela ngolwesihlanu nalapho inkonzo yesikhumbuzo iza kulandela. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumcebisi Ngqina, ndiseGqeberha.